I love Philippines too much. I've been there for how many times? I went to Davao before maybe 2-3 months. I really, I cannot imagine how nice is Davao, because it was, managed by Mayor, and I hope coming soon, President Duterte. I really cannot imagine. I used to go night time, maybe 12 o'clock sometime, or midnight. Believe me, I feel secured. No one talking with me. Everybody telling me hi. Police different from other cities. Because some other cities you cannot go outside night time, diba? While in Davao, you are going there outside. Wala drugs. Wala somebody in the streets just roaming around. Somebody harming you. No way. In Davao, it's really different. So we wish that all Philippines will be the same with Davao. And this, believe me, sisters, brothers, believe me, will never happen unless our Mayor Duterte will be the one there. I believe he's the right person. And this is last chance for Filipinos. We have to work hard. And you have to work hard with this man. I really, we should not accept it that somebody else will take over by cheating or by mololoko or whatever. We have to secure everything. We have to monitor everything. We have to watch everything and control everything. He has to be in Malacanang soon. Wala niba. Duterte alone. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you very much for inviting me and giving me this few minutes.